Hello, my name is Brian, and in this video, we're going to see how I arrived in this section for my Facebook page settings. Okay, we're going to see how you can change your Facebook name and also how to set up your Facebook page username. They are kind of two things actually. If you didn't know what a Facebook name is and a username, this is it. This is a Facebook name, what you see here. But in your URL, there's a long link, facebook.com/profile php id equals 1000 blah, 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 blah. So this is your ID, and it's hard to brand if you're doing branding online. So you kind of have to make this Facebook page username similar to your page. Actually, you have to set them like to be like your name has to be related to your username, although username can be a bit short. Okay, so we're going to see how you can, in case you have a Facebook page and you want to change its name, and also if you haven't set up a username, how to do it. Okay, my name is Brian. Welcome to my YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, please give me a subscription and a like for videos like this in best ICT skills, best everyday skills that everyone may really need to have. Okay, so let me go to the start. After logging into your Facebook page account, sorry, usually to be like this. Okay, it's you when you log in your Facebook page, you start, usually to start from your profile. Okay, remember, page is governed by your personal account. So after logging in into your Facebook, you have to locate your pages that you manage. Okay, you have to locate your pages that you manage, because you can't change a page name which you can't manage. So let me kind of try to go on my home tab. I'm using a computer to do this video. So when I go to my home tab, I'm going to look on my left side, and I'm going to find there are some shortcuts to my groups and pages. So on my left side, I'm going to see a shortcut for swimming classes, Uganda. There's a webvator, blah, blah, blah. There are kind of a lot of stuff, okay? So I'm going to choose a page that I want to manage, okay? Or that I want to change the Facebook page name. Alternatively, sometimes you can find this here on your profile. You can easily switch and it goes to that page. But if there are many, you may have to come on your shortcuts, or you may have to click on see all profiles. Okay, then you select the page. So if you don't see it here, because this is the latest page that you are managing, so it comes here. But if it's an old page that you want to change the page name, you have to go to see all profiles, or you go on your left side, go under shortcuts, try to locate it. You can click see more, and there will be display all of the pages that you manage. In case you can't find all these, you can just search your page. Okay. So assuming you have found your page, so mine is here. Let me click on swimming classes Uganda. We actually want to remove the word Uganda because the business is going to be a bit in almost in 5 countries. Okay. So when I come here on my left side, you realize these sections are disabled. Actually, you're supposed to click on settings, but settings kind of is bit disabled. Why? Because we have to switch. Okay, that's why Facebook is telling me to switch. This switch can be made from here, or it can be made from here. Okay, so you can use this. You can just click here, or you can just click here. So let me click on switch so that, okay, click on switch so that it can switch from my personal account to my page. Okay, then that is it. So after the page has changed to, after the settings have changed from personal to page, you realize now on the left side settings is active. So I can just click on settings. Right. So when I click on settings, I'm going to come to a section where I can kind of do some editings, like your name. So let me click on edit, right? So we're going to have to edit this. Click edit, right? I'm having a slow internet. All right. Oh, maybe we can fast do it. Okay, let's be a bit patient. Okay. So when you're changing your Sorry about that. So let's click on this. Okay, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it for 60 days. That is 2 months. So make sure when you're not sure, you have to be sure, okay? So let me remove Uganda. So I want it like that. So let me say review change. So after changing your name, you can't change it for the next 2 months, okay? You can change it maybe after like the 2 months, but okay. So when you're changing your name, you have to provide a password. But this password is a password for your personal account, remember, okay? The personal account, because the page doesn't have a password. So let me put in the password for my personal account. Let me request a review, request a change, and there it will change. Okay, usually it takes just minutes, all right? Then we don't have a username, so we're going to kind of give it a username. So let me click on edit. So my username, it's going to be swimming. It's going to be a bit different from actually the business name. It's like learn to swim. Okay, hope no one have that. It seems it's taken. It's telling me the username is taken. So I'm going to say maybe land swim land swim in Uganda. Oh, okay, it's going to be international. So let me just say swimming classes. Okay. It's also taken. Okay, I can try to use swimming. Okay, I'm going to use this land swim and swim. Let me just put UG. All right. So the username is a variable. So let me click on save changes. All right. So that's how you change the Facebook page name and also how to change your Facebook username. All right. So this is my username. It's easy to share. Okay. Let's kind of check it out. Check them out how they look. Let me copy this and let's paste it here. Okay. Okay, let's paste it here. I think that is done. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my videos, you can give me a subscription and a like. I usually do videos about everyday IT skills that you may really need to do your work. So yeah, okay. Thank you very much and have a nice time.